Greetings, MetaPOS users. This video will be about navigating reports. First, enter into the Report tab. On the left-hand side, we can select the various categories of reports. Let's make a sample report together. Click the Sales Report tab. Enter into Summary 1. Here you will find a drop-down menu of various preset date ranges. You can also customize the date ranges. Here you can change the year, month, and day. Let's try a recent example. Click Run when you have entered your desired date. We can also adjust the date within the report. Export the report via email, Excel, PDF files, or by print. You can print the report with standard paper or through receipt paper. When you have your desired report, click Done.